Buying gifts for a friend is a great responsibility, and if that pal is a particularly sophisticated gadget enthusiast, then your mission becomes even more difficult. The internet is rife with incredibly nifty gadgets and gizmos that will surprise and delight the nerd in your life. We've done some digging and uncovered 10 of the most amazing science gifts nerds and just generally intelligent people will appreciate. This levitating potted plant doesn't just look really cool, it also brings a literal breath of fresh air into your home, making it a perfect gift for that friend of yours who not only likes out-of-the-ordinary stuff, but also has a green thumb. A potted plant is always a nice present, and if you add in some magnetic levitation that makes it float, you surely can't go wrong if you decide to offer it to even the pickiest of nerds. Because we all probably have one smarty pants friend who likes math, this equation wall clock packs in just the perfect amount of spunk to help them start their day in a clever and meaningful way. Instead of the classic analog notation for the hours, several mathematical equations need to be solved in order to tell the time. And while this might not sound so enticing for the majority of people, your nerdy friends will definitely dig it. Why own a boring umbrella when you can walk out in the rain under the cover of this amazing color-changing umbrella? Printed with color-changing ink, this eye-catching item looks pretty plain when dry, but when the rain starts pouring, an unlikely rainbow will appear and amaze passerbys. This pretty umbrella is definitely going to impress even the most pretentious of friends. The fact that it can change colors is both surprising and innovative. 3D printers have experienced a lot of hype over the last few years. More and more people using them to create all kinds of small props, miniatures, prototypes, and figurines. Seeing how these devices are very sought after and useful, we think it would be a great idea to buy a nifty little one for your friend's birthday. They'll be so overwhelmed you'll surely be showered not only with thanks, but also with a myriad of cool 3D printed gifts. This magic wand TV remote is the type of gift that you'll want to buy for yourself at first, and only after you've had your fun, you'll consider buying one for your equally nerdy friend. There's no greater pleasure than to zap through programs with a simple yet firm gesture, and a well-directed spell that will change the channel for you faster than you can say, Expelliarmus. It's more than obvious that this magic TV remote is the absolute best gift for the Harry Potter loving friend we all have. The Orbitwheel takes a futuristic approach to everyday transportation, and it features a straightforward design that can be summarized like this. You have 2 feet, so you need 2 wheels to carry them through town. That's simple. The hoverboard might still be in fashion, but the Orbitwheel is more compact and easy to carry around, and will definitely take the market by storm and become the next hottest trend for years to come. Because there's nothing more important than staying healthy, an artificial intelligence personal trainer is the perfect gift that combines the basic idea of exercising with the exciting domain of computer science. The VI Sense wireless headphones not only help you get into shape by giving you vocal commands, but also have an aerospace-grade heart rate monitor that tracks all of your bodily functions. In short, this AI personal trainer is truly amazing and useful. This Bluetooth speaker reminds us a little bit of BB-8, and even though it might not have any connection to the actual Star Wars universe, it appears that it's using the Force to float like that. In fact, it's kept hovering by its magnetic base, and you can be sure that your nerdy friend will tell you everything about this process if you happen to buy him or her one of these extra cool hovering Bluetooth speakers that look good and sound good too. For that friend who's always building stuff and tinkering around with nuts and bolts and electronics and combustion engines, this build-your-own V8 engine kit is the most on-point gift you could ever think about. It includes over 100 parts, and it simulates a real motor, featuring ignition, engine sounds, and light-up spark plugs. Honestly, this V8 building kit is a no-brainer when it comes to awesome gifts for your friend's special day. Bone conduction headphones are a new piece of technology that leaves your ears totally unplugged, and instead delivers music through your cheekbones. As futuristic and Star Trek-y as they sound, the vibrations really deliver a high-quality sound experience, and this is a thoughtful and totally awesome present for a friend who's interested in acoustics. We hope you've enjoyed our video showcasing 10 amazing gifts for nerds. If you did, please press that like button as we do appreciate it and it helps us immensely. We often ask our audience for suggestions to compile these lists. If you'd like to contribute, please follow NerdVid on Facebook. If you've encountered other fantastic gift ideas, feel free to let us know in the comments below because we do try to read pretty much everything. Now would also be a good time to encourage you to subscribe, because we upload new videos all the time. Subscribing will keep you up to date with all of our latest content. Until next time, thanks for watching and have a great day.